Hi, and a very warm welcome from us all here at Perrys Mansfield. I'm Mark Hayes. Today's walk around video is this Ford KA Plus 1.2 VCT TI. It's Z-Tech specification, 5-door. It's got £800 worth of optional extras on this car, folks. So first and foremost, there's rear parking sensors, a proper spare wheel. It's got the city pack on it, which consists of the parking sensors and the fold-away door mirrors. Beautiful interior. Isofix child seat anchor points there in the back. They basically aid in keeping baby children and toddlers as safe as possible, because the seating system attaches directly to the chassis of the car, easy as clicking in a seatbelt. In the front we've got 12-volt power supply, 2 audio line in USB connections, 5-speed gearbox giving a fantastic return on your fuel, air conditioning, heated front seats, heated front windscreen. We've got audio, phone, mobile application downloads and settings menu in the front here, trip computer, enhanced voice command, so you can command most of the features on your screen there just using your voice, DAB radio, Bluetooth telephony and audio streaming control, volume control for both. Right hand side we've got speed limiter and cruise control, and on the door we've got power to all 4 windows. Beautiful car throughout. It's not had a smoker nor pets have been in the car. Beautiful deep impact blue paintwork. It's been prepared by Ford main dealer technicians. There's just approximately 40 miles on the clock of this on this car, so you can make a massive saving on new car price. Not only that, award-winning customer service is what you will receive, and fantastic aftercare service should you need us any time after. Thank you very much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye bye for now.